Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your YouTube video without any copyright strike. First of all, if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so that you get notified on our new updates. Let's get started. The first method what I'm going to show you is using music from YouTube library. So for that, go to youtube.com and then go all the way down to your channel icon. Click on that and go to YouTube Studio. So once you are clicking YouTube Studio, it will open the studio where you need to find the option called as audio library in the left side pane. So scroll down unless you find audio library. So click on audio library. This will open the audio library in the new tab. So once it is loaded, you can see two options, free music and sound effects. Under free music you have tons of tracks and you can search the music which you want also in this library. So if you want to use Arcanas Traveler, click on the play button. So once you click on play button, there will be a description saying that you are free to use this song in any of your videos. Most of the audios in this library will be saying this description. In some rare case you will be having some giving credit to the user or a creator like attribution. So in that case you need to give the attribution or else you will be copyrighted. Maybe you can escape or you will be copyrighted. So this is about the free music. So sound effects, similar to free music, you will have sound effects. So if you go to the sound effects, you will having a simple sound effects, but the basic difference is there will be no credit for this sound effects. You can use it without any restrictions. So mostly this will be created by YouTube tools, so it will be no copyright strike. So this is about the first method. The second method is using music policies to check whether you can use that audio. So if you want to use any movie audio or album, search that album. So in my case I'm going to search faded. So for that I'm going to search type in Alan Walker. So in your case you can use whatever song name also you can give or audio creator you can give. So and then search it. So this will load for a few seconds, you need to wait. So based on the results you can view that. So in my case it is loading still. So the first option which is coming is faded, which I want to use it. So if I click on the down arrow, this will open the description saying how can I use this. If you use this song, playback blocked in 249 countries, that is bad. So advertising ad can appear, so you can't monetize as well. So if you are performing a cover, it is viewable everywhere except Switzerland. So if you want to perform cover, you can use it, but still you can't monetize. So blocked in 249 countries. This means you have the list of countries which it will be blocked. So if your target audience is not in this country and you are sure that you can trust it, you can use this faded and you can use this in your video. So most of the thing will be displayed, but you can see there is a copyright owner decides. So if you are if the copyright owner decided to take down your video, they can take down as well. So mostly some free to use audio will be also available in this music policies. So if you use this The Wait song, the playback is viewable worldwide, but monetization is not happening in this case as well. So like this you can check for each and everything. So if you want to use it for fun and for entertainment alone, not for earning revenue, you can use it like checking whether it is viewable worldwide and use it in your video. So this is about the second method. So you can use it using the music policies and you can search your audio, and if it is not listed, go to YouTube and search that audio and copy the correct audio name so that you can use it. The third method is no copyright sounds. So the no copyright sounds music is a pretty big channel where it is having 25.4 million subscribers and around 742 videos. The 742 videos is always very much free to use in your video. So mostly it will be audio running in the video panel. so you can use it. There are tons of audios in the music video. So if you are using any video, what you need to do is give proper credit. To know how to give proper credit, click on the video which you want to use. If suppose you are using outline, cartoon outline, go to the description where you can find the option. They will be mentioning how to use this, and in this case it is having the clear description. In some case there will be no description. You can copy paste this description and you can paste it in your description, so this there is no copyright strike. Fourth method is royalty free music. So there are many royalty free music givers. So in my case I'm going to suggest you Ben Sound, which is pretty much easy. You can play any audio which you want to use it in your video, and if you are okay with that, you can click on the info and check how to give proper credit. So if you are okay with it to use it, you can give free license by giving attributions, and if you want to don't give free credits, you can use a standard license as well. How to give credit is giving royal free music description in your video, and www.bensonsound.com also. It is pretty much easy. And if you don't want to give credit, you need to use pro license. So this is about the fourth method. So if you like these four methods, you can use it in any of your video based on this. There will be no copyright strike. So if you like this video, do smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you're having any comments, do let me know. Thanks for watching. Thanks guys.